Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Dare to Be Creative, and I am here with a haul from TM Tuesday Morning. And, excuse me. And this is just a small haul. I stopped at different stores. In each store I got a different haul. So this is basically Sheena Douglas dies, which is by Crafters Copain. But first I'm going to show you this Bo Bunny stamp, and they brought some more of the Bo Bunny stamps back out again. And this is Butterfly Kiss 2050962. I need to check and see if I have this. If not, it may be part of my giveaway. $2.99. And of course, you can call the 1-800 product hotline number, and you can check and see if it's in your area. But again, if you don't see some of these things, these are out. Most of these items are going to be out November the 18th, which is the big Black Friday sale. So just like a sneak preview. So some areas have them out and some areas don't. My area is very competitive. I have 8. We used to have 9. We have 8 Tuesday mornings within 45 minutes of each other, like in a loop. So they kind of, I guess, got to compete and get things out early a lot of times. This is probably going to be, this is over a week late. So I've been traveling and going to travel again, so I haven't had a chance. I posted some of it on Instagram, but I haven't had a chance to actually get a video done. And I'm going to go back out in a few minutes. This is the Dear Lizzie washi. I got another set with a different design on it, but this is a different set. 2057300 for $1.99 is 6 pages of washi. And that's what some of the washi tape looks like. Nice to gift. Matches a paper line, of course. And another one of these Maggie Holmes ephemera for $1.99. 2045045. And this was already promised to somebody. So these are the Sheena Douglas dies that I got. And I like these because they're kind of like, some of these are kind of like the steampunk kind of a feel, adventure. This is the Time Machine. And I know a lot, this got a double stick on it. I wonder when it came out the first time. Anyway, some of these came out before. I'm just curious. Well, anyway, the number is 2047342. I just cut my nails off. Lord knows, you can't get nothing off. My voice is sounding rough today. Anyway, so that's it right here. Of course, they have coordinating stamps called Time Machine that you can use with it as well. But if not, you can still cut it out like that and emboss it and have a nice imprint. And it is a nice size die. And so that's pretty cool, Time Machine. And this is called Timepieces or Time Traveler. Well, these are the Time Traveler collections. This is called Timepieces, excuse me. This is a 2-piece set, 2047343. Yeah, and so that was 42. This is 43, and this also goes with the rubber stamp called Timepieces. So this is a pocket watch and an hourglass. Again, nice size dies. And this one is called In the Pipeline, which also coordinates with a stamp set. And this is a 6-piece stamp set. So you got your little knobs like you're turning on your water valves or pressure valves and some pipes. So just thought it was just kind of interesting and creative. You could do something different with that. Of course, masculine, but also industrial, steampunk, different types of things like that, you know, or, you know, God's working on you, something, anything. So you do all kinds of stuff. I got the first one they had out. This is the second one. This set I didn't have, so I got it. These are the 9 border dies, the decorative edges. And these are also really good for a starter out, a person beginning stuff that doesn't have a lot of supplies. This is a good one to add to your repertoire of dies, if you can find it. It's 2047271. It's create a card, because you can use these on scrapbook layouts, cards, ATCs, all different kind of things. You can use these to make rosettes as well. Shishi shows a tutorial on Shishi Crafts on how you can use it for rosettes, but you can do a lot of different things with this, so don't pass on these little border dies. I mean, it's good, especially when you don't have a lot in your inventory. To me, this is a good staple to have because it can make a plain card very decorative. You can do this on boxes. You can use it, like I said, on layouts, on layered paper. You know, you can make, when you have limited amount of dies, look like you have extra pieces of dies, because you can cut the other side of the paper, whatever shape you want, and then use that decorative edge and layer with it and stuff too. So, and these The largest 5.7 by 1/2 inch wide. So you got, you know, different designs. So this is think number 2 or number 1. I don't know what it is. It just is decorative edges, but I know the other one I have has different set of these, but it's 9. This one is the poppy one. So this is, it also coordinates with the stamp 2047336, and this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. The stem, the leaves, and the flower in the pod. And that's how that looks. And then the last 2 are scenic dies. And they also create a card dies. Excuse me. So this is a 4.3 by 5. Excuse me. 2047262. My voice is going in and out again. Sorry. I don't have any water in here. Spread that laryngitis, don't come back. Scenic Village. I'm sorry. But as you can see, this is a village, and you can use it for different things. Like they use it with metal. They got music notes in the background. But you can make a card front with it. You can make a scene with it, and there's other, you know, designs that you can make, different shaped cards, like 3-dimensional cards. And these are actually separate, so you can actually use this piece right here just to make a border edge or to make a circular die. You can use that tree separately, and you can use the scene separately. Of course, you can always use it as a combination. And I don't know if I read the number, 2047262, and it's Scenic Village. And then this one is Winter Wonderland. And the same thing with this, you could do a couple different designs with this one as well. And this is a 5 by 5, 2047267. And that's how that looks. So that's actually looks a little bit bigger, but they're both big, you know, in comparison to your hand. So they're 5 by 5, so you can make this one a nice 6 by 6 card. You got your snowflakes as well too, so you can make that very decorative. So anyway, that's some of the dies that are out. It's a ton more, trust me, it's a lot more. A ton of the flowers. And but anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.